The old pal sounds like it's named after a brand of dog food, or a security guard in the office who thinks he's John McClane, greeting colleagues in the morning or giving them a hard time when they forget their security pass. The ingredient lineup: gone for a Rittenhouse Rye, which always seems like it's named after a character from a 1980s US high school film. Our old red mate Campari, which has turned up to try and bully the other ingredients. And then we've got a dry vermouth. I've gone for Noily Pratt. And always remember the #1 rule: keep your vermouths in the fridge. Let's kick this off by adding 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of our rye, to a mixing glass. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Campari. Lastly, add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of a dry vermouth. Fill the mixing glass with ice. I'm going to stir this for around a minute, like a bin full of gravel being launched off a tower block roof. History-wise, this drink is a riff on the Boulevardier and was thought to have been another creation of Harry Macquellion at Harry's Bar in Paris, and was thought to have been named after New York Herald sports editor William Sparrow Robinson. Strain this into a coupe glass, and then garnish with a lemon or orange peel. The taste test. You know when you get two beasts in a room wanting to fight it out like Godzilla and King Kong? Well, that's the situation going on here with the rye and the Campari, and the moves the pretty blonde girl screaming in the window, not doing too much. It has its merits, it's easy to make, there is a nice complexity going on with the rye and the Campari. If you like boozy drinks, try this, but like the Boulevardier, I'm not a big fan of this. I'm going to give this a 4.9 out of 10.